Welcome back to the Elite Esthetician Hub for our Advanced Technical Series. Today, we are mastering the clinical precision of professional Brazilian waxing. This masterclass is meticulously designed for the high-level aesthetic professional. Precision and skin integrity remain our absolute primary focus throughout this guide. A clinical environment is the fundamental step toward achieving elite results. Sanitization of your workstation must be performed rigorously before every client. Always start the service by thoroughly cleansing the entire pelvic region. Use a high-potency antiseptic to remove all surface oils and residual bacteria. Debris on the skin can prevent the wax from adhering correctly to the hair shaft. Apply a botanical pre-wax oil to serve as a vital protective moisture shield. This oil ensures the hard wax only grips the hair and never the live skin. It is essential for minimizing trauma to the delicate epidermal layers during pull. Select a premium polymer-based hard wax for all sensitive anatomical work. The wax should be heated to a smooth and consistent honey-like texture. Always test the temperature on your own inner wrist to ensure client safety. Positioning the client is critical for maximum visibility and technical access. The butterfly position allows for the best reach during the initial wax phase. Apply the wax firmly in the natural direction of the hair growth cycle. Use a clean wooden spatula and apply significant pressure during each stroke. This pressure forces the wax to encapsulate the hair at the very root. Create a small reinforced tab at the end of every single application strip. This tab acts as a handle for a clean and efficient removal process. Wait for the wax to polymerize until it is firm but remains slightly flexible. Hold the skin extremely taut with your hand before you attempt any removal. Maintaining high tension is the secret to a painless and clean extraction. Remove the strip in one fast motion, staying parallel to the skin surface. Never pull the wax upward, as this leads to skin lifting and bruising. Apply immediate hand pressure to the area to calm the nerve endings. Proceed systematically across the entire anatomical region of the client. Work in small sections to maintain total control over the skin reaction. For the labia areas, use smaller spatulas to manage the complex curves. Technical precision in these zones defines the master esthetician skill. A rhythmic flow between application and removal optimizes your overall timing. The elite professional balances speed with an absolute focus on patient safety. Consistency in your movements will build deep trust with your loyal clients. We are now moving into the refinement and the post-care science phase. Mastering the transition from removal to recovery is vital for your success. Your goal is to leave the skin perfectly smooth and highly nourished. The second phase of our treatment focuses on advanced refinement and recovery. Once the bulk of the hair is removed, we perform the technical cleanup strips. Apply very thin layers of wax to catch the remaining fine vellus hairs. Always inspect the area for hairs growing in conflicting anatomical directions. Multi-directional growth is very common in the lower Brazilian zones. Adjust your application angles to ensure every single follicle is addressed. Tweezing should be used sparingly to avoid any unnecessary skin irritation. If you must use tweezers, always pull in the exact direction of the growth. After all hair removal is complete, we begin the deep skin recovery phase. Apply a post-treatment lotion infused with tea tree and cooling aloe vera. Tea tree oil provides a necessary antimicrobial barrier for the open pores. Aloe vera instantly reduces redness and cools the treated tissue area. Educate your client on the critical nature of the first 48 hours. Instruct them to avoid high-intensity workouts and excessive heat exposure. Steam rooms and hot tubs must be avoided to prevent any infection risks. Tight clothing causes friction, which leads to irritation and potential breakouts. The skin needs oxygen as the hair follicles begin their natural healing cycle. Advise waiting 3 full days before starting any chemical exfoliation. Salicylic acid is excellent for preventing the formation of painful ingrowns. Proper exfoliation ensures the new hair can break the skin surface easily. This prevents painful bumps and maintains a smooth aesthetic appearance. Encourage your client to maintain a strict 4-week professional booking cycle. Regular waxing leads to thinner hair and much more comfortable future sessions. The more consistent the appointments, the better the long-term skin results. Professional ethics require you to document every session and skin reaction. Maintain a clinical and organized environment to uphold your high standards. The reputation of an elite esthetician is built on results and hygiene. Your technique will continue to improve with every single professional application. Stay dedicated to the craft and study the latest in advanced skin chemistry. High-level Brazilian waxings is a premium skill in the global beauty market. Thank you for trusting the Elite Esthetician Hub with your training. Continue to practice these methods to reach the top of your profession. Your journey to becoming a master of aesthetics is progressing very well. Stay professional and always prioritize the health of the client's skin. We look forward to seeing your technical growth in the next session. True success in beauty is found in the details of every single treatment. Keep your standards high and your execution flawless every single day. Your clients will appreciate the care you put into their skin recovery. Advanced aesthetics is a perfect blend of scientific knowledge and skill.